Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, we're on the home stretch here. All right, our next matter is Stephen Herman versus Lindsay Geib. File number is 231182. We were here last week. This is a similar circumstance. Mr. Herman wishes to terminate the tenancy. There is no lease. Ms. Geib is there. He's not being able to be in his own home, and he wants it back. And he's following the lawful steps to do that. Is that correct, Mr. Herman? You still wish your premises back?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Geib, what's your position?
I have applications out for apartments. The shelter says they're full and they're offering me resources I haven't got yet. We're trying to get out the best we can. It would be nice if he could turn the heat back on for the remainder of this process. I don't think that was probably the nicest thing to do in this situation.
All right, what's the circumstance there?
What do you mean, sir?
He turned the heat off?
Yeah, to the house.
What's the story on that, Mr. Herman?
Well, I don't understand that. I mean, I was over there probably a few weeks ago and I thought the temperature was up a bit high, so I turned it down. And last time I was there, the thermostat said the heat was at 67 degrees. But the actual temperature in the room was even higher because she has a space heater in the room. So the heat from the space heater is reacting with the thermostat to the furnace, possibly not causing the furnace to turn on.
All
Sir,
right, well.
Not moved in 1 week. The meter.
What's that?
On the meter on the Semco thing, the meter, the numbers, they have not moved in 1 week. I had somebody look at the furnace. The furnace is fine. It is very cold in there without that space heater on. It gets down to about 59.
You believe the gas is shut off?
Yes, sir, I do. I didn't until 2 nights ago when I realized that the numbers hadn't moved. And he come in Sunday and he saw and he felt how cold it was. He was in the upstairs where it's got to be cold.
Is there a gas stove or gas water heater?
No, just the heat is run on the gas.
Who is paying the Semco bill?
I am, Your Honor.
So he has to pay your gas bill while you live in his house?
I'd offer if he'd asked, but he hasn't asked.
Well, to shut off the heat violates the lockout law. So if there is no heat, you need to turn it back on. But you have 10 days to move out. You have 10 days from today, which is October 30th. No money judgment is entered here. Proper payment, or that's it. You have until 10:30 to appeal it. That's 10:30. You shall restore heat.
Yes, Your Honor. I will look at that situation and find out what happened and make sure that heat is restored.
She's got 10 days to vacate or you get your house back. She does not vacate, you can bring $15 to the court and ask for a writ of eviction. Ms. Geib, when you do move, you need to turn in your keys. And give your forwarding address in writing within 4 days. Mr. Herman, have you got a shut-off notice?
I don't believe so. No, I haven't seen one.
Have you seen one, Ms. Geib?
No, sir. I have not gotten anything on the door either. Like, I don't know if they still do that, but they used to.
No, they're supposed to. At any rate, you've got 10 days to vacate, and he's got to make sure there's heat in the house in the meantime.
Thank you.
All right, hopefully you can get out and he can get his premises back and you can go your separate ways. If there is gonna be a claim for money damages, it would be in some subsequent hearing, like a small claims proceeding. All right, you're both free to go.